Welcome back to Route 40 Russ. This time me and the missus is going to go on a bit of a road trip and pick up this camper top from my 1966 F250. Let me know if you think it looks good. I don't know. Fresh off a junkyard trip. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I think it's called Return to the Greatest Junkyard in the State of Indiana or something like that. But at any rate, I was editing the video and like, man, look at all these parts that I really wanted that I missed and forgot about. One of which was the starter off that 48 Pontiac two-door. Should have grabbed that, but I got caught up telling you guys about how the starter push button pedal works with the carburetor and shifting the transmission. And then I remember seeing a old vintage truck topper in the back 40 there and said, man, I really needed that because I've been looking for an old topper for the 66 Ford for some time. And I did get on Facebook Marketplace and found a really nice vintage topper. Right now it's on a den side Ford, but he's a couple hours in the other direction. So we're going to take a little road trip today. Me and the missus stop by some Route 40 roadside diners and antique stores and neat little places and just enjoy the afternoon. Pick up this truck cap, see what else he's got, talk to the guy, probably make best friends with him. But look forward to driving out there and picking it up. Sun's out, snow's melting a little bit. So good. Stopped in this small town, check out some antique stores. This is Main Street, Urbana. Pretty cool place, but running down the back roads, that cap didn't stay on too well. Slow down. What is this? Cooper Trailer Sales, West Milton, Ohio. I know where West Milton is. The boy has some Little League games out there. All right, so I got some 11Rs, 11SP welding clamps on her. But the guy gave me some actual clamps. Looks like I got 4 of them. So let's throw a few of these on here just to be safer than sorrier. Quit honking at me. Feel like I'm in New York City. Ridiculous. Pliers are ridiculous. Sure. Told myself I wouldn't try this. It's cold. Babe, look! Oh, yes. Hang in there, little clamp. Hey there. Look at that. Shocks are good too. Hope the fine folks at Urbana enjoyed that view. We're not gonna lose her now. I can't get in. Go.
How many apple pie would you like?
2.
All right. What else can I get you?
That's it.
I'm finalizing your order and getting your total. It's $24.96, thank you.
You got AI.
I yelled at her.
AI drive-through. Yeah, give me apple pie. Don't scratch my camper top.
Made it.
Oh, gosh. Well, we made it home with the camper top. How about that? Looks absolutely ridiculous on this truck, but it did it. We'll look it over in the morning and put it on the 66 and you can see how it looks. I don't know how it's gonna go, so you guys can be with me and let me know. You just comment below and say, Nathan, looks dumb. You're an idiot. Before I can play with the camper top this morning, I got to get the 66 Ford out that it's going to go on. In order to get the Ford out, I got to start up the tractor. If I start up the tractor, which might be a hassle, got to plow the driveway. Oh, this might be a battle. Throttle's stuck. No. All right. We'll take that, but it's probably going to take a good 20 minutes for it to warm up enough for the 3-point to do its thing. Oh, come on. Oh, didn't have enough. We'll get there. Okay, calm down. Let her warm up. We got other stuff to do. For Pete's sake. Stupid coffee can. Ready to do 3-point things. I'll be darned. Let's let that hydraulic pump do its thing. Chickens. Well, here's the 66 F250 without a camper shell. It is what it is. If you don't like camper shells, just go ahead and stop and comment right now. Say no, don't even put a camper shell on it. But once I put it on there and it's blue, comment below if you're like, hey, the blue and the red and the cream all kind of faded. This is like this patriotic thing and I really like it. You know, keep it on there. Or if you're like, the blue's garbage, paint it cream or shoot it forward red or something, let me know. I have no idea. So this shot's just for reference to what it's gonna look like. Long bed, 2-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Anyway, I got things to do. I gotta go torch my grain bin because the corn's frozen in the auger and I can't get any corn out, and can't trust the kids taking fire to, you know, corn. Daisy. Oh, we're doing teenager stuff and wearing t-shirts in 20 degrees. So I gotta get down to the t-shirt too? Yeah. But you wear a hoodie in the summertime? Leave your bucket. Bucket. Alright. I can see how excited you are. Don't drop my camper shell. Don't drop it. Are you even lifting?
Yes.
Alright. Slide it straight towards the cab. Yes! You guys ready to see this camper top for the first time with me? I mean, I put it on and kind of tweaked a little bit, but really haven't stood back and, you know, looked at it. So let's check it out. Walter, what are you doing, bud? Playing with the RC. Let's see that thing. Drive it over here. Oh, you're stuck in the snow. What thinketh thou? Go! How fast they go? Tear up the driveway. Spins out in snow, doesn't it? The battery died. Okay, well, here we go. I don't think the blue is too horrible with the red. The crank out windows, I don't know. I'm 50-50 split if I like this or not. I think I'm gonna have to drive it for a few days and decide if I like it. I did, from the inside, squirt some fluid film on the window linkages to see if it helps it out a little bit. Everything seems to be fairly intact, good on it. Look, even the struts work. How about that? I think I'm gonna have to give tailgate a proper paint job. Just gaze at it for a little bit and think to yourself, self, would I be embarrassed driving this? I don't know. Kind of like it. I guess if it doesn't pan out, we could always put it on the bump trailer, which is blue, and camp in it. That'd be fun. Well, there she be, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Swap out batteries?
Yeah.
Is it ready to beat cheeks?
Yeah.
Nice. Let her rip, Tater Chip. Oh yeah. She scoots. Oh, threw it in the bank. Saves it. Yep. Here we go. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know if you hate it, you like it, you love it. So I can take it off and scrap it with some Pepsi cans. I don't know. I think it looks good. A little red, white, and blue action, some vintage Americana. I like it. It's gonna stay there for now. Need to get that bed cleaned out. Yeah, something else to do. I need to buy me one of those. I should have bought the red one for myself. Melly, what do you think? Do you like the camper shell?
Yeah, are we going to a camper show?
Camper shell, not camper show. But in the summertime we can camp in there. Wouldn't that be neat? Okay. Did you dump a bunch of corn for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Love you.
I do.
Bye.
Bye.